Welcome to Sharon Lindsay Yoga and Wellbeing. This is a 15-minute yoga practice to reset your body, mind and nervous system. Please listen to your body and modify the practice if you need to. We'll begin in child's pose with our knees wide and our big toes together, melting your heart and forehead towards the earth, and lengthen your arms out in front. Bring your awareness to your breath, feeling your ribs expand on the inhale and soften on the exhale. Allow stillness to settle within you. Slowly begin to lift up and lower yourself down onto the earth, onto your tummy, with your elbows beneath your shoulders, your forearms parallel, pressing into the forearms to lift the chest and gaze forward. Tuck your chin to your chest and slowly lift the chin, just nodding the head slowly and gently up and down to release the neck. Now turning to look over the left shoulder, back to center. Look over the right shoulder, slowly and in your own time, releasing the neck. And when you're ready, slowly lower down, lengthening your arms out by your side. When you're ready, bring your right heel towards your right glute. Reach back with your right hand and take hold of that ankle. And then gently flex the toes towards the shin. Feel the length in the front of the thigh. And if you would like a little more, you can engage that right glute and gently press your right hip bone towards the earth as you imagine you're lengthening your knee away from your hip. With each breath, feel the front of that thigh lengthen on the inhale and soften on the exhale. Then release the ankle, slowly lowering the foot to the earth. Then we'll repeat on the other side, bringing your left heel to your left glute. Take hold of the ankle, flex the toes, and if it's right for you, engage the left glute to gently press the left hip towards the earth as you lengthen your knee away from that hip bone. Breathing in to lengthen the thigh, breathing out to soften. And then release the foot, slowly lowering it back to the earth. Place your hands beneath your shoulders, hug your elbows close to your ribs, press your pelvis and feet into the earth as you exhale and lift the chest. And then when you're ready, slowly lower back down. exhale, press the pelvis down, press the feet down, lift up, and this time press into your hands to stretch out the back. Feel that length in the front of the body. And then bring your hips back, coming to tabletop position, and then sending your sit bones back to your heels, coming back to that wide-legged child's pose that we began in. Feel your spine lengthen. Then lift up into tabletop position with your knees beneath your hips, and then walk your hands to the front of your mat and melt your heart and your forehead towards the earth. Puppy pose. Opening up in the armpits, bending into the upper back as you stretch and open up in the front of the chest. Keep focusing on your breath. And then begin to walk the hands towards you and make your way to sitting with your legs out in front. Cross the left leg over the right, lengthen your spine, twist towards that bent left knee and gaze over your left shoulder, wrapping your right arm around your knee for a little more leverage. And then feel the breath move against your thigh. Slowly turn back to the front, straighten that leg, and cross the right leg over the left. Lengthen the spine, twist towards the bent leg, gaze over your right shoulder, hug your knee with your left arm. Your right fingertips on the earth to help support you, to help bring greater length to the spine, and focus on that breath. Then slowly unwind back to center, and then just lower yourself gently down onto the earth. Your knees are bent, feet on the earth. Cross your right knee over your left and then bring your knees up to your chest. Take hold of the bottom of your legs wherever you can reach and gently pull on the bottoms of your legs to bring them closer to your body, and feel that stretch in your hips, particularly the right hip. And then relax. Release the hands, uncross the legs, place the feet on the mat. Then we'll cross the left knee over the right, bring the knees to the chest, take hold of the lower legs with your hands and gently pull those legs towards you, like you're tying a shoelace. And bring your awareness to that left hip now and focus on the movement of your breath. And then slowly release the hands, uncross the legs, bring the feet back to the earth. Then lengthen both legs towards the sky, pointing the toes, then flexing them towards you, pointing and flexing, just releasing the ankles and feeling the change in sensation in your legs as you adjust your feet. Then bend the knees and lower the feet back to the earth. Extend one leg long and then the other. Settle into stillness, drawing the shoulders down away from the ears, relaxing the neck, relaxing the jaw, softening the whole body as you come to rest in stillness. Take a deep breath. Begin to move your fingers and toes. If you like, you can stretch the body long, reaching your arms out overhead. If you like, you can hug your knees to your chest, rocking gently from side to side. When you're ready, roll onto one side. Use your top hand to press gently up and come to sitting comfortably, perhaps on a cushion or block. Then we're going to practice alternate nostril breathing with our right thumb on our right nostril, right ring finger on the left nostril. Take a breath in through both nostrils, close the right, breathe out through the left, breathe in through the left. Swap the fingers, breathe out through the right and in through the right. Swap out through the left, in through the left. Swap out through the right, in through the right, out through the left, in through the left. Continue in your own time. The next time you exhale through the left nostril, just lower your hand and return to breathing in through both nostrils. Notice the sensations in your nostrils. and notice how your body and your mind are feeling. Thank you for joining me today. Have a wonderful rest of your day.